Wow, the cinema is so beautiful. Yes! Today's movie is very hot. I have to watch it.
That's right. Do we still have time to buy popcorn?
Of course! You can't go to the movies without popcorn.
Oh no, I think I have a stomach ache.
I can't take it anymore.
Huh? Now? The movie starts in 10 minutes.
No, I have to go to the bathroom now.
Hello.
What the hell? Why is there a password lock?
Welcome to the toilet password challenge.
What? I just want to go to the bathroom.
If you want to open the door, you must find the 6-digit password through challenges.
Oh my god, my stomach can't take it anymore. But there's no other way.
Go ahead, good luck.
Bye-bye! Unbox yellow. No. Challenge 1. Play EXO. The character playing EXO. Ratty wins the watchman to see which number he finds. 2. Let's play! Number 2. First number found. Blue unboxing. No. Test 2. The mystery piece is found to find a hidden number in the picture. Put the given pieces together to form a picture in the hidden picture containing the required number, 7. Let's play!
love you.
The second number found is 7. Unbox Gray. Hello. Challenge 3. Find the mystery number. The zigzag box leads the ball through the obstacle courses to the end of the path with a prize behind it. The mystery number 0. Test 4. Ring throw. There are many characters near and far. Must throw 3 rings. The character will win. Find number 3.
Oh no! Yes!
Try again. Unbox pink. Challenge 5. Bowling, throw the ball to knock down the bowling pins, knocking down all the hidden columns behind a column with the mysterious number 2. Unbox red. Unbox Red Challenge 6 discs. The circles have different signs. Slide the stones to the correct box corresponding to that shape. Behind one shape is hidden a secret number. Number 1. Oh my god, where have you been? The movie is about to start.
You don't know. I just went through a life and death challenge.
What? What happened to you?
The story is long. I will tell you when I get home.
How do you feel now? Are you okay?
I'm fine. Let's go to the cinema.
Okay!
Like, share, and subscribe.
Bye-bye!